I'll be showing you how to use voice typing on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now I'll show you two methods. The first method is using the Google keyboard, which is my default keyboard, and the second method is using the pre-installed keyboard that comes on your phone by default. So let's start with the Google keyboard, and for me, because I've already set Google keyboard as my default keyboard, it's what it's going to bring up. And before you can use voice typing, all you have to do is you have to ensure it's enabled. So simply go into settings by bringing up the keyboard and tapping on this settings icon. Then you want to scroll through and select voice typing and ensure that this option, use voice typing, is enabled. You can also enable this option to download dictation on your device to voice type faster and more accurately. So select or turn that on. Now, when you come back to the Google keyboard, simply tap on this microphone icon, give the necessary permissions, and it's now going to type every single thing that I'm saying, just like that. That's how to type using your voice using the Google keyboard. Now, if you're using the default keyboard, so I'll simply go into the settings and change my default keyboard. So simply go down and scroll into settings until you get to system, and then select languages and input. Then you want to tap on current keyboard and then select this keyboard. That is the default keyboard that comes pre-installed on your phone. And now whenever I want to type, if I want to use voice typing, I can simply tap on this option right here, this microphone icon, and then I can start speaking, and it's going to type or voice type every single thing that I am saying. And that's basically how to use voice typing on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.